Site speed is one of the biggest money makers, or money losers, on Shopify. In 2026, nearly 80% of traffic is mobile, and customers won't wait for slow pages to load. A 1-second delay can drop conversions by up to 20%, hurt SEO, and instantly damage trust. Most Shopify stores slow down over time because of uncompressed images, too many apps, tracking scripts, old themes, and leftover code. The fix starts with image optimization. Your hero and product photos should be tiny, fast, and device appropriate. Then audit your apps, remove ghost code, and replace plugins with native Shopify features. If your theme is older than operating system 2.0, a rebuild can cut load times in half. Finally, use lazy loading, minified code, and improved LCP to boost core web vitals. Fast stores rank higher, convert better, and lower your ad costs. Speed isn't optional. Contact us today to make the most out of it.